feeling weak, and my pain walks down a one-way street. I look above, and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings flesh to my bones, and I feel the love is there. I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me when it comes to